if you order the New Testament the way that the Western Bibles are ordered, not the Jewish Bibles order, but the Matthew, Mark, Luke, John order. The references to both righteousness and justice and righteousness, and they always go hand in hand. They always go like one another, as if they're married to each other. But they end in the book of Amos. And there's a bunch of, there should be a bunch of books after Amos. There's Angel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. So that's 9 books. 9 minor prophets that don't mention justice and righteousness. Maybe justice or righteousness, but not justice and righteousness together. They do not go hand in hand, as if they got divorced from each other. So I wonder what would happen in the original Hebrew order of the Bible. What if we look at it that way? But I thought it would be interesting to look at, I'm not going to do all 30 verses about justice today. It wouldn't hurt to look at a few of those scriptures. I don't like that. Let's do this. Let's do it this way. Hey, Al Britton, 007, thank you very much. What happened? My feed is gone. My drawing, my face is moving, but my drawing is not moving. Hold on, please. And now, here we go. How's it going, Al Britton? Thank you for showing up. How did you find the stream? Did I meet you somewhere else? So, what's going on here on this page? This is page number 23. Joseph is confronting his brothers about being in the wrong place, and his dad sent him to go find him, and he's chewing them out, and then they've had enough. They said, "No, smack, buffo. We're gonna take you. We're going to take you to where you don't want to go, and we're going to throw you into the cistern, and then we're going to let you fall, and then we're going to let you stay there until we feel like it, until we get you out." So, as you can see, the bottom, the further and further you go to the bottom, the less detail there is in these drawings. But that's why I'm inking this one. This is the most recent inking, the most recent pencil that we're going to be inking today. For some reason, I did not add an elbow. Where did his elbow go? All I have to do is Okay, I'll just lengthen his arm. How's that? Let's see if that works. Are you a streamer, Al Britton? Oh, I remember what happened. I erased part of Joseph's arm, and that is what was hiding the rest of Simeon's arm, and that's why Simeon has no elbow. Disagree with that knuckle. I beg to differ with that knuckle. Fingertips always have concave. I don't know what to call the segments of. I guess segments is the right word. I figured it out in the middle sentence. Mid-sentence, I tell you. King of angels.
Come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord, God of God, light of light. Lo, he abhors not the virgin's womb. Very God begotten, not created.
All right, getting closer.
Let us adore him. Oh, come, let
Closer to the pinky area. The pinky area gives